So, basically I'm a developer by heart. I've been doing development for about 20 years now, and I also like teaching. So this is the perfect job for me where, what I can do is I can teach to developers, simplify the technology and present it in a no-nonsense form such that, they can grasp the essentials rather than, get into the intricacies of what's going on.
I'm Stephan Janssen, and I'm the founder of the Belgium Java user group, which I started in '97, so I'm getting older. And 7 years ago, I also started Java Polis, which also started very small as you guys, but it exploded very rapidly, and hopefully Jfokus will have the same growing pains in the future. That would be nice.
Okay, my name is Kirk Pepperdine. I am a performance tuning specialist.
I'm Genender. I'm a committer on several different Apache projects, the CTO of Savoir Technologies.
I'm Kevlin Henney. I'm an independent consultant and I deal with training, consultancy, writing, a number of things all about software development in general.
My name is Rickard Oberg and I'm working at Jway as kind of a guy who's looking towards the future and figuring out what's going to happen next.
I'm Johnsson and I've been working with Java and system development in Sweden for a few years by now.
What I'm doing in Jfokus is, I did a demo just now, I'm doing a demo, and basically what I'm talking about is, how Java has really gone into things that nobody ever expected, about 13 years back when, Java was invented. And we have, Java is also morphing itself, trying to make it more of an appeal, to the creative people who don't really want to program a whole lot. Like if you want to do programming in Swing, it's really, you have to write a lot of code. Whereas there's a new language called JavaFX Script, which makes it a lot easier. So I'm going to talk about, Java, where it has gone in the keynote, and I'm also going to talk about JavaFX Script in a technical session.
So I'm presenting the Parlays.com site, which is a new kind of e-learning platform where we present all of the talks, and hopefully we'll be able to present a few Jfokus talks. And it has a rather Java-centric focus. And the nice thing is that I'm presenting the version 2, which is a Flex Air version, but what is even nicer, and this is a premiere for Jfokus and the Java land, is that we will show a prototype of Parlays.com written in JavaFX.
I had a really long tutorial on domain-driven design, especially from the day-to-day basis from a developer's perspective.
I'm here at Jfokus to talk about concurrency, performance tuning, and trends that I see happening in the industry that I think if people come away from this talk, they should have a good sense of what it takes to scale our applications given what's coming down the pipe at them in the near future.
I spoke on Apache Service Mix, building a service-oriented architecture with Service Mix, and gave a tutorial as well.
I'm presenting a talk called 5 Considerations for Software Developers. The goal of this is really to try and distill 5 basic ideas that we need to keep in mind and to work with our own guidelines.
I'm presenting composite-oriented programming and G4J, which is a new way of looking at programming models and how to implement that on the Java platform.
And I must say, I'm really impressed. I mean, so many people, and it's only the 2nd edition, so it's really nice to see, also in Sweden, having a very active Java community. So it's really, keep up the good work.
I think it's a conference with a lot of energy. This is the first time I've been here, and hopefully I can come back here again, because, I see a lot of, the community awareness, the community coming together. Like, for example, I wanted to demo something using my BDJ, the Blu-ray disc. And I just sent out an email saying, can you get me a PS3? Somebody got it from somewhere else. And so the whole community is coming together to make this happen, which is really an amazing thing.
I'm here to learn about some great Java and get to know the Swedish user group and sing a fantastic conference.
Because I was been badgered by some stubborn Swede who actually insisted on having me here. Actually, I'm quite honored to be coming to Jfokus. So far, I was at the tutorial sessions yesterday. It was really nice cozy atmosphere. The treatment here by the event organizers has been great.
So far, well, like many things, I like grassroots events. I like user group style events rather than big commercial ones. So this has got the right atmosphere.
I think it's really, really great that the Swedish Java user group is arranging a way for us Swedish developers to get together and learn about new things and do all the necessary networking that you need to get new ideas and meet new friends.
I must say I'm overwhelmed how good it's become. Last year was a nice start, and this year with all the people that have been attending the tutorials and the kind of buzz that we feel. Well, as you can see behind us, is really, I'm happy to see this happening and actually taking off.
Awesome. Great. It's a great event, great people, and great speakers.